Let's look at the second step. Remember the first step? Chaos to control, destination mastery, money mastery, delivery mastery, and time mastery. Once you have done that, your foundation for your business is now ripe for you to make that exponential jump through sales and marketing. And this is where we call the niche. How do you expand your revenues and your profits by 40 and 60% respectively in the next 18 months? Question that I'm asking all of you business owners: what is your USP? And now please don't tell me that, sir, our business is too generic for us to have a USP. If Domino's can have a USP, every single business owner can have its USP. The USP need not be the product. The USP could be the delivery, USP could be the person, USP could be the technology, USP could be the speed, USP could be anything. But you need to have your USPs. And that's what we as business coaches work with our business owner clients into first getting the USP and guarantee in place. Having done that, now let's look into some magic. And you can take a piece of paper and do the magic yourself. Write 8 statements one below the other. Number of leads multiplied by conversion rate is equal to number of customers multiplied by number of transactions into average value of transaction. It becomes your revenue into the profit margins is your money that you take home. Use two colors. Use two colors. One, blue and red. Number of customers, the revenue that you're making, and the profit that you're making, mark them with red. The rest of the 5, write with blue. By focusing on a 10% growth on your leads, on your conversion rate, on the value of transaction and the number of transactions that you do the multiplication. This is no mumbo jumbo. You will see a 46% growth in revenues. Do the maths and you will get this 46% growth. And any chartered accountant who's watching this video or who's with you, they will tell you that by becoming more productive, you can increase your profit margins by 10%. If you can't, I will give you 60 strategies to improve your profit margin. And you increase the profit margin by 10% and you do the multiplication, your profits go up by 61%. Then why is it that we as business owners feel we should only grow at 10%? Do you have an answer? I don't. And I don't think any one of us should be growing at 10, 15, 20%. When there's this opportunity, there's a huge opportunity of growing at 40%. It will not happen overnight. I did not tell you it will happen tomorrow. But over an 18-month period, you can grow your revenues by 46% and your profits by 61% if you follow the system for success. If you want to know more about it, write to us and we will reach out to you to set up a 1-hour strategic call.